And I searched in every face that I found, looking for the truth in every sound. Everything around, nothing felt profound. Bound by all these ties, I was not